Hi, my name is Robert, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Wealth Infinitum before actually buying the program. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Wealth Infinitum is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Wealth Infinitum, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The effectiveness of Wealth Infinitum lies in its multifaceted approach, which combines proven financial strategies with a deep understanding of personal development. At the heart of the program is the notion that mindset plays a critical role in financial success. Wealth Infinitum teaches users to identify and overcome limiting beliefs that may be sabotaging their financial goals. By fostering a positive mindset and encouraging a shift in perspective, participants learn to view money not as a source of stress but as a tool for creating opportunities. The program is structured around a series of modules that guide users step by step through the process of financial empowerment. These modules cover a wide range of topics, including budgeting, investing, and the importance of building multiple income streams. Each lesson is designed to be actionable, encouraging participants to implement what they learn immediately. This hands-on approach ensures that users not only gain knowledge, but also see real-world results. Do not lose more money with expensive programs that do not give any results. Make a test with Wealth Infinitum and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have lifetime money-back guarantee to use Wealth Infinitum 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.